Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about Galfer brake pads. Now, Galfer's been in business since 1952, and it is kind of, like the standard in the braking space. They make hot rod brake rotors, they make brake lines, and they make brake pads. Fitment-wise, they're gonna have pads for a big wide range of motorcycles. If you have a motorcycle, they probably have a pad for you. That pricing is gonna vary depending on the bike and depending on the pad, anywhere from $40 to just north of $100. But let's break down what each pad is and kind of by usage and let's say aggression. The first one here is a semi-metallic pad. This is going to be your best pad for just like a straight up OEM replacement for a street bike. You don't have to worry about too much of a bed-in period. It's great in the wet and the dry. And it stands up to heat pretty well, but not as much as like the double H centered. So even though it's gonna have a quick bed-in period and it's gonna have a nice feel to it, it's not gonna be too aggressive, it is gonna be prone to glazing more than the double H centered. So if you're gonna be doing like the occasional track day, or if you're gonna be riding very aggressively in a canyon, that might not be the best choice for you, but just a straight street bike, that's gonna be a great solid pad. If you are gonna be riding more aggressively or doing those track days, the double H centered may be a better choice. It's gonna hold up to heat better. It's got like a ceramic composite construction to it, so it's not gonna glaze up as fast. It does require a little bit longer bed-in period there in the beginning, and it's gonna have a little bit more of an aggressive bite to it. So I would say maybe a little bit less consistent than the semi-metallic, but if you're on a track, you want that hard initial bite, and you can kind of meter that with your own braking. That's what it's gonna give you. So a little bit more of an aggressive pad, also good for the street, but if your bike is a 100% street bike, I would say stay with the semi-metallic. Now moving on to like literally a race only application is the carbon ceramic here. Galfer itself said race only here. If you're looking to put these on a street bike, you're looking in the wrong place. If you have a street bike, like I said, stay with the double H centered. The carbon ceramic actually has a ceramic coated backing plate. And again, this is all about dealing with heat. These are used by Moto 2 and Moto 3 teams in just straight up race applications. Again, very, very aggressive braking characteristics. They are gonna take some time to bed in, but they deal with that heat really, really well. So if you have a track bike out there, this is gonna be the pick for you. As far as installation, really depends on the bike. Replacing pads on your motorcycle is something you shouldn't be afraid of, and you can do in your garage with basic hand tools, and it's something you should really keep an eye on. A lot of people change their fronts also and don't change the back. I like to change them all at one time because really, I don't know of a more important piece on your motorcycle than your brakes. So pretty simple installation here and keep you nice and safe. If you're looking for more information, go ahead and click the info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's gonna take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about any of these brake pads. If you're still looking for more information, go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, budget, and riding style. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.